Here is problem 10. And I need to make that a little bit bigger. Consider the following table that gives selected values for a function f of x. So before I even read the rest of it, I'm going to be sure it's a function. And to do that, we need to look at our x's. We need to look at the domain. And the domain says that all values are different. They are consecutive. And then, so it is a function. Let's look at the y's to see if it is 1-to-1. And it is, which is probably linear. Maybe. All right, so Bobby found the first consecutive differences as shown below and concluded that the function is not linear. Okay, let's check his work. If he is correct, it is not linear because this is not common. And that is very important to realize. It is not common at the first level. But we need to check his work because, like me, he could have made a mistake. So 1 minus 2 is not positive 1. That should be a negative 1. 0 minus 1 is not positive 1. That's a negative 1. Negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1. Negative 2 minus negative 1 is negative 1. And negative 3 minus negative 2 is negative 1. So I see mistakes in Bobby's work right here. So for him to say that this is not linear is just not true, because the common consecutive difference at the first level is negative 1. That is a linear function. So we know what mistakes he made. Which of these statements is true? So any of them that say he's correct, we can do what? That one says incorrect. Okay, so we can eliminate 2 of them because he says, or that Bobby was correct. Bobby was not correct. So B, D, and E say Bobby was incorrect. We know that's true. All of those could be possibilities. B says the function is linear because the first consecutive differences are common. He miscalculated the consecutive differences. The function is linear because the first consecutive differences have the same absolute value. The function is linear because the x values are consecutive integers. The answer is B. He just miscalculated, as I myself have been known to do. That can happen to anybody, especially with this kind of problem. So for number 10, I like option B, as in boy. So let me mark the answers. Gosh, I don't even remember the answers. Let's see. 8 was B, 9 was E, and 10 was B. So that spells Beb. B, E, B. And I can't say that I'm sorry to see page 103 go. I'm ready to move on to something else. So in the next video, we will look at page 104.